Here we have a 2018 XL883 Sportster Iron in vivid black. Does come with the air-cooled Evolution engine, 883cc, mid-mount controls. This one they added the passenger pegs. You'll just have to add a passenger pillion, take someone along for the ride. Does have the solo tuck and roll seat. Rear suspension is preload adjustable if you're riding two up or want a stiffer ride for your riding style. Smoked bullet turn signals. The iconic peanut tank. Speedometer mounted on the handlebars. And we're looking at 15,833 miles on the odometer. Does have the 9-spoke contrast cut 19-inch front wheel. Chop fender to show it off. And this one also does have an aftermarket LED headlamp. Let's go ahead and hear a cold start.